I started as a student. In 2009, I was sitting in the front row, and I could just feel and sense the presence of God telling me that this is something that He has special and planned for me and my family. And it has been an amazing journey. I started teaching and helping the folks in 2013, as far as just starting with something very small called webinars, right? So when we would do these stock and options, that's how I got started with TRADEway. As soon as I started actively engaging in these webinars personally is when this started making sense for me. And it was the in and out nature every week of me being able to learn and think and go through stocks that this stuff started to click for me. So what you'll find is that's going to be something that we encourage you with today. There's this old phrase, you get out of it what you put into it. You get out of it what you put into it. There is a level of effort that God requires in everything that you're going to do. And the fact that you are here this weekend shows you want to figure out, what does it mean for me to put the right level of effort into making this what God has for me and to bless me and my family.